agriculture faces immense challenges: land scarcity, water shortages, chemical pollution, and climate volatility. Traditional mushroom farming often struggles with environmental control, resource efficiency, and waste management, problems that demand a bold rethinking.
Did you know mushroom could be the future of farming? No land, no problem. Did you know worries? Today we are diving into two groundbreaking mushroom farming innovation, micro farming and AI guidance floating mushroom farms. And guess what? That could change the way we grow food forever.
Micro loop farming. And here, where it gets even better, micro loop farming makes mushroom grow forever. Instead of throwing away all mushrooms beds, we regenerate them using fungi microbes. No waste, no deforestation, just endless food production. So, what does this mean for the world? It means zero waste, climate resistant, and high yield farming anywhere. This is the future. Every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single spore. From these microscopic spores emerge hyphae, delicate threads that weave together to form mycelium. This mycelial network not only gives rise to mushrooms but also revitalizes the environment, breaking down organic matter and fostering new life. Innovative farming systems harness the power of mycelium, creating self-sustaining ecosystems that nourish both people and the planet. From a single spore to a flourishing ecosystem, mycelium showcases nature's remarkable ability to regenerate and sustain life. Simply, we use mushroom waste to produce more mushrooms. Our next innovation ideas: AI-guided floating mushroom farms. Unlike soil farming, floating mushrooms get moisture directly from the air and water below them. This means they don't need heavy irrigation like normal crops. And the best part, no need for large farmland. We can grow mushrooms on rivers, lakes, or even rooftops using smart floating systems. But too much heat or low humidity can slow down mushroom growth. That's why we use AI sensors to monitor and control the climate. Wow, so mushrooms could be the future of food security. That's mind-blowing.
First question, how does floating mushroom farming affect growth compared to traditional soil farming?
Unlucky, so from a floating mushrooms get moisture directly from dead airs and water below them. Unlucky, so from a this means they don't need heavy irrigants like normal crops.
That's amazing. Now, what's happened when humidity or temperature change? Can mushrooms still grow?
Yes, but too much heat and low humidity can slow down mushroom growth. That's why we use AI sensor to monitor and control the
Smart farming at its best. Alright, next, how does recycling separate, reduce waste and save resource?
Throwing away old mushroom beds, we recycle them into new ones. That's why mushroom keeps growing without wasting materials.
Super sustainable. Last question, how can we scale this for urban farming and food security?
easy. Floating mushroom farm can be built in cities, on rooftops, or even inside schools. No farmland, no worries.
So, what do you think? Could mushroom be the key for sustainable farming? If you love this idea, share this video and let's grow a better futures together. Mushrooms aren't just food, they are the future. See you in the next innovation challenge.
differentiation potential. Our modular design allows easy customization for small local farmers to large-scale agribusiness with growing global demand for mushrooms and eco-solutions. It can be sold as ready-to-deploy kits, licensed technology, or franchise models. Educational centers and eco-resorts are also prime markets for integration.
This isn't just an idea, this is a movement, a future where food grows anywhere without harming the planet, a future where farming is smarter, cleaner, and limitless. And it starts now. Join us in growing the future, one mushroom at a time. If you believe in innovation, in sustainability, in a better future, support this revolution. Share, act, and be a part of the change. Thank you.